like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna check out a music video straight out of Meghalaya called Thong, and it is coming in from the DBRYN records. So the rapper in here is BANIOHBOR. He was very viral. He is actually a construction worker. That video of him rapping went viral, and yeah, we are here. I have not seen the music video yet, but I saw some teaser and stuffs. This is gonna be lit, I believe so. And the singer in here is KYNTIEWLIN MAWPHNIANG. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in and dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. By the way, the DBRYN records, they always come legit, And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much. And also do follow me on Instagram. I follow back genuine followers. So this is my Instagram ID. Do hit me up in there. Hey, let's just jump straight into this music video and let's vibe into it. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Thong. I don't know the meaning of Thong, by the way. OB custom. And also many people were DMing me telling that he is a Khasi 2-pack and stuff. So yeah, we finna check him out. Oh, radio. Oh, I missed that radio when I was a little boy. I remember in the village we used radios. Hey. Oh. If you want to succeed, you have to work hard, it seems. Yeah, definitely work hard plus work smart. True. Hey. JCB OP. Hey. By the way, this is very popular in India. We know it as JCB, but in actual it is known as excavator. I mean, this kind of vehicles. JCB OP. Hey. They have tied this, this handkerchief, bandana and all, like in a 2-pack style. Got you. Hey. Oh wow. I think they've used this background, I mean this place in that George Shut Up music video also. I think they have used this place, if I'm not wrong, with this graffiti and of course, I mean this place and this skateboarding. OP bro, OP. Oh, B-boying. Hey. Oh, drift. Oh, this is dirt race, right? Or what they call drift, dirt race. Mountains. Be a good leader, a true leader. she's pretty, by the way. Hey. Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey. Oh damn, I love this kicks, like, for real. This is AJ1 Low. Yeah. I'm not sure of the exact name, but yeah, it's Jordan. Yeah. Force 1 Low, I guess. This is really dope. 2-pack. Hey, that's what's up. They are really inspired by Tupac. Anyways, this was an amazing music video. I really love it. The vibes were really cool, and yeah, he got the energy and his bold tone and the lyrics, the depth in his lyrics, and the fact, that he is a construction worker, but he has this thing, like the positivity, that motivation, to inspire people with this song, with the lyrics. It's really dope. When I saw that viral video of his where he was carrying that thing and then just rapping on a beat, I think that was really cool. He did it like dope. And yeah, man, shout out to the whole team, and special shout out to the DBRYN records, man. They've been doing really great stuff. Even they have promoted this rapper Vinon Linkoi, that Nganthom, that was also really dope. And after that with Bigri and all, amazing stuff they are doing, for real. A huge salute to the DBRYN records. Amazing stuff. And of course, KYNTIEWLIN, you are an amazing singer, you have a sweet voice. And yeah, man, shout out to the whole team, all of them who have worked in the music video. Amazing photography, cinematography, videography, on point. It was syncing with the lyrics, even the videos. And yeah, man, a huge shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing, you guys are awesome.